Okay lang? Hindi maipit? Sakto lang. Okay? Not too tight? Okay? Okay? Can you bend your knees? Bend your knees. Yan. Other side. Sige. Okay? Pull. Very little lang ha. So it's gonna pull your back. So it's gonna be relaxed. Stretch on your back. You like that? Parang nakahiga ka lang. Ayan. You'll feel the machine pull your body this way. Ha? Ayan. Do you feel it pulling? Is it okay?
Aisha.
Okay. You like it? It's pulling you. Ayan. Do you feel it pulling na? So you feel it till the maximum.
Okay ka lang, ate. Okay ka lang. Sign me. Okay. Bait ng ate namin, oy. Bait din ang nurse ni ate, si Ma'am Angel. Para ma-relax siya, para kuan siya. Ang gimara ginabira ang iyang kuan likod.
You feel a stretch and then another one. Like that. You feel a stretch here? Okay, hold for 15. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, back to the center. Can you do it properly? Sige, yan, taas lang, ganyan. Forward yung kamay, yan. Make yourself comfortable, okay? And then
Palo,
you move
ate,
to the
palo.
right. Sige, go.
Ni sa ate.
Move to the right, Aisha, like this. Ganyan. Yan. Sige, move till you feel a stretch here. Sige, move pa. Yan. Sige. Yan. Okay, then move yung ulo pa ganun. Yan. So you should feel a stretch here. Hold for 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. O, balik sa center. Yan. Okay, still kaya lang? Okay, sige. Pangatlo. Okay, move to the right, please. Yan. Good. Stretch. Sige, move pa. Sige, move pa. Yan, may stretch dito. So, dapat move. So, you move your arm so you can feel the stretch. Yan. O, yan. Okay. 4, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15. Okay, balik sa center. Lapit na. Dalawa na lang. Sige. Move to the right.
Ate,